Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today is the first day that I'm moving out of my apartment. I am moving back home with my parents, so me and my mom are going up there. Well, we're here right now. We're at Lowe's buying moving boxes and we're gonna go to my apartment and move everything out. But I wanted to vlog it because, I don't know, maybe somebody is going through the same thing and moving home from college. I know, it's kind of crazy, but it's happening. We're gonna make the best of it. I'm also going to be moving, into our like big, I don't know if you could call it like a loft, or I don't know what it's considered, but it's just one big room in our upstairs. And I'm gonna be moving up there at my parents' house and making like a little space of my own. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along with me on this new adventure. But yeah, my mom is inside right now. She's going to the bathroom, but we just went to Lowe's to get boxes and like some stuff to move. So today basically we are packing up everything that we can in boxes and kind of sorting through stuff and throwing stuff out that I don't like or don't want to donate or something, and getting all my stuff together. And then tomorrow we're coming up here with my dad and we are going to pack it all up in a trailer and bring it home. So yeah, 2-day event I'm thinking, and we're about to go get Starbucks. I'm convincing my mom to go get Starbucks. She is not a Starbucks person, but I'm gonna make her go. So you're gonna see my mom today. My mom's gonna be in the vlog. She hasn't been in a vlog in a really long time. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications down below, and check out my Instagram because I'm gonna be updating you guys on my moving stuff at home and my new room. Of course, I'll be filming a video on that, on like a room transformation thing. So yeah, stay tuned. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you don't miss them.
This mask is making me angry.
But anyways, we're gonna go to Starbucks. Here's my mom. She hasn't been in my videos in a long time. But we got our Starbucks. My mom hates Starbucks because it's so expensive.
$17
She
for 2 coffees and 2 croissants.
She had to have something to snack on, and they were all out of banana bread. So now we get chocolate croissants, which don't hit this car, please.
I'm trying not to, but they need to roll up.
They were literally just sitting there.
Sorry. I'm not aggressive.
Look at my coffee. It looks so good.
This is my catastrophe.
I'll show it. She got the caramel ribbon crunch because she obviously hates herself and wants her stomach to hurt. And chocolate croissants, but look what they wrote on the little bag.
Those 2,000 calories I didn't need right now.
But anyways, I've never had a chocolate croissant, but I'd say they're pretty good.
I could have just stayed home and ate more Rice Krispie treats and leftover spaghetti.
Well, I got my usual drink that I put in my other video, so if you want to see that, you can go watch that video.
Alright.
Yeah.
Oh shit. I really want to.
You should not be allowed to eat and drive.
No, I knew it was gonna happen. Give me a napkin. All right, now this is my favorite shirt, so if this stains, I'm gonna die.
And it was
Just can't
tragic.
believe I just spent $17 and ruined a shirt at the same time.
You like one of Trisha Paytas mukbangs?
That is the worst stuff ever. Literally ever.
Alright, I'm putting this camera down so I can eat this croissant. I dropped it on me too. Okay, we made it to my apartment a long time ago, and we've discovered that I have too much stuff.
Alright, look.
It all fell off. What does it say? Today is the day? Look at the sign.
Oh, what happened?
Look at my board.
Here we go.
February was the last time I wrote on here.
Okay, I got it now. Kaelee.
Economics projects, horticulture projects. It worked. Today's the day. My last upcoming thing is a buy camera.
Oh my gosh.
That's crazy.
I think you have a Ziploc bag. Oh yeah, of all your letters. Okay, so we don't lose any.
Wow.
Compromise the alphabet.
So I have way too much stuff here.
We're eating lunch.
My whole closet.
It's hot in here. Turn that fan on.
All my shoes. These are my favorite shoes ever.
Apparently not. If
Listen, I didn't bring them because I thought I was coming back in a week. Okay.
I know, right? And
I
then
literally
never.
thought I was coming back. Why is all this cute stuff looking cute to me now?
It's not. This is all going in my guest room, girl. Hands off. I've been waiting for this stuff. If it was a king size bed, it'd be moved into my bedroom.
All my stuff. In my bathroom. I never show any of my... I never really showed my apartment stuff. But yes, it's all a mess. It all needs to be cleaned out. I don't think I ever really vlogged in here.
Yeah, you have.
Like a few times. But not
Can
that
we throw
much.
this away?
Making progress. We're making progress. There's all my sink stuff. Everywhere. I'm trying to get everything clean. So we left the apartment and we went and got lunch. We got Chick-fil-A out of all the freaking choices we could have picked.
Stick with what you know. If it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Very true.
Yeah.
And then we're going to Marshall's. Had to take Mom to this Marshall's because it's my favorite one ever. I hope it's not like empty.
Or just old shit. I just don't know how you eat a salad in a car. Or in a truck or vehicle. There you go. That's the word I was looking for.
Why not?
Because I couldn't even eat a chocolate croissant without staining my shirt. I love when I get random emails that says, Christy, Pizza Hut is hiring. Matches your educational background. That's like a big F you. What did I do to deserve that? What did I do to Pizza Hut for them to call me out like that with your educational background?
Your high school diploma.
I went to college. Apparently they didn't get that.
You didn't get a degree though. That's all you have.
Just because you've been in college for 2 years, you're this hoity-toity? No. I just feel assaulted by this email and by you. So there you go.
We are gonna go to Marshall's and then we're probably gonna go back to my apartment and pack some stuff up.
Or just put the stuff in the truck we already packed.
Oh my gosh, it's so hot. Okay, well, we got as much stuff as we could. We're sweating. It's so hot in there. My fan quit working. We got all this junk back here. And then stuff in trash bags in the back. So you're welcome, Dad, because we got a lot of stuff. It's so hot. So now we're going to drive home. And I'll probably end the vlog when we get home. Okay guys, I am back home finally. We made it home and we're probably gonna unpack a little bit of the stuff. My parents are going out to eat and I'm probably gonna go to Dalton's house, hang out with him for a little bit. But yeah, this is the end of the first day of me moving and I will see you guys tomorrow for the day 2. Hi guys, it is day 2 of me moving back into my parents' house. So today we're going to get all the big stuff. So my parents already left. They went to go pick up the trailer to get, because we basically packed up a bunch of like random small stuff yesterday so that we can just throw all the big stuff in the trailer and bring it home. But I am in the truck going to pick up Dalton, my boyfriend. We're gonna get breakfast and then meet my parents at my apartment. It's like an hour away. It's not too bad. So yeah, we're gonna go finish moving all my stuff. Honestly, I haven't really talked about too much about this, like why I'm moving out and all this stuff. it sucks, but school has went all online for me, and personally I just feel like it's best for me, like financially and everything, to just not pay for an apartment to live up there when I'm not going to school, and there's no end in sight really when all of this is going to be over. I know that sounds really dramatic, but it's the truth of everything. Like, we don't know when we're gonna be able to go back to school. We don't know anything really. We just know like we're going online for school and that's it. So there's so many other people going through worse, and it's not that big of a deal. It's not the end of the world. I think I mentioned yesterday, but upstairs in our house we have like this one big room up there, and my mom uses it right now for her office. But because she knew I was kind of gonna be like, you know, sad moving from a whole apartment into just one bedroom again at my parents' house, she decided she will give me that room up there since she doesn't really use it that much. So I will be decorating that room, so that video will be coming as well. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on my channel and what I'm doing and videos I'm coming out with. So yeah, if you're going through something similar or hard times right now, you know, there's a reason for everything and there's a plan for everything. And right now, what's happening in your life might not feel like it is what you wanted, but in a way you never know, it's probably what you need. So yeah, just try to keep positive. I'm really bad at staying positive in situations, so I have to remind myself daily, but it's okay. I have a great family and friends and support, you know, for my life and things happening in it. So yeah, we're all gonna be okay. We're all gonna get through it. Well, anyways, Dalton's with me now. Dalton had to stop at the gas station to get his favorite tacos. Got some gas station coffee because Dalton said I had to try it. It's actually not that bad. It's not Starbucks, but it's not that bad. And then Dalton got a Bang.
Yep.
The best flavor, unicorn. Okay. Got your tacos?
Can we get sponsored by Bang?
I wish. If I got sponsored by Bang, my family would love me forever. I think they would like that better than if I got just like a lot of money.
That or Coors, you know?
I don't think Coors sponsors people. Except for like NASCAR drivers. But we're gonna head to College Station, but we had to get some breakfast. And then we're going to our favorite place for lunch.
Yep.
Alright.
Make some more.
Make some more. That's funny. We did the vlog, like my first vlog with you. We went to Wings and More.
Walk around, son.
Anyways, we're gonna eat, and I'll show you guys when we meet up with my parents later.
You don't have any napkins.
So now we're at my apartment, and I am taping up all the breakable stuff. So I'm packing all my stuff away.
Christmas decoration.
All her essentials are up here.
Yeah.
All my Christmas stuff.
He said I need that at home because it's just at my level.
Anyways, typical. Do all this stuff yesterday, and my dad says it's not good enough. Let's keep packing. Got everything moved out of my room. Quit talking. I'm trying to vlog my room.
Okay.
So we're gonna show you guys my room all cleared out. So my dad vacuumed everything. Looks great. My closet all cleaned out. There's the paint. There's Dalton. My bathroom all clean. It's so light in here. I'm gonna miss how white and fresh my bathroom was. Stop, Dalton, open the door. My room's so clean. Till I move into another apartment. And COVID's over. Peace out to the first apartment of my college.
No, that was loud. Good Lord.
Okay, now I got all my stuff in. Dalton's so helpful. You can. No, you can close it.
Go to the booth barn.
Wings and more, let's go. Come on, Dalton. Says it's 91,
That can't be right.
not 100 degrees, so you're wrong. You're wrong, as always.
That's not what my ass crack says.
Oh, it's so hot. Oh my god. Okay. Let's go to Wings and More. Hi guys, I am back at my house. It's been a few hours. I just wanted to hop on here real quick to end this video. So yeah, like I told you guys earlier, I just moved out of my apartment that I've been living in for 2 years. Hopefully I get to move back to college when all of this pandemic stuff clears up and, you know, everything can go back to face-to-face classes and stuff like that. But until then, I am going to try to make the best of it here at my parents' house. I just want to say thank you to my parents and my boyfriend Dalton for helping me move all of my stuff out. I literally would not have been able to do it without you guys. So thank you if you're watching this. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did like this video, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. And a little sneak peek, I am doing a room transformation because I am going to redo a room here at my parents' house to make into like a little apartment for myself. And I'm so excited. Make sure to subscribe down below and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss when I do my room transformation, because I promise you're not going to want to miss that. But go ahead and comment this emoji right here if you stayed to the end of this video, because I love seeing who watches to the end of my videos. That's all I have to say, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.